Welcome to Sip Sci, your look into the science behind some of the biggest beverage trends of today. Hard seltzers are one of the fastest growing segments of the past year. With no signs of slowing down, the hard seltzer category is expected to grow from $1.75 billion in 2019 to $3.5 billion in 2020. Their explosion into the mainstream has created room for companies, big and small, to cash in on the buzz. But where and how did the concept for hard seltzers evolve? And why is it so popular among consumers today? It all starts with the emergence of the wine cooler in the 1980s. The first drink of this category was the California Cooler, a sangria-like beverage sold in 12-ounce glass bottles. The drink inspired the beer alternative category as companies sought to better serve consumers looking for the convenience of a beer, but without the beer taste. Eventually, wine coolers would open the door for other new drink styles, like Jack Daniel's Country Cocktails, one of the first drinks of its kind to be canned. Ironically, beverage development expert David Defoe, also founder and CEO of Flavorman, was involved in the creation of both of these products. Arguably, the first hard seltzer was Zima, a clear, lightly carbonated, lemon-lime flavored malt beverage introduced in 1993. But as the beer alternative category grew to include more options, Zima was discontinued in 2008. In 2013, Dave Holmes and Nick Shields began brewing Spike Seltzer. This would build the foundation of the current seltzer boom we see now. Today, you might recognize the brand as Bon and Viv. By 2015, the beverage had started to gain ground. The company sold 250,000 cases that year as consumers became more educated on hard seltzers and non-alcoholic seltzers alike. Growing awareness of the adverse health effects of sugary sodas and juices helped fuel seltzers rise to fame. Since then, both alcoholic and non-alcoholic seltzers continue to be popular among consumers seeking better-for-you ingredients, as well as low-calorie, low-sugar, and low-ABV options. As innovative new spins on hard seltzers emerge, this category will continue to change what the world is drinking. See you on the next Sip Sci. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and follow Flavorman on social media. Learn how we change what the world is drinking at flavorman.com.